Hi, Namaste. This is Mansi Gulati, your face yoga expert. How are you doing? Today we are going to do face yoga for acne and pigmentation. We'll start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, expand your chest, exhale, contract your stomach. We'll start with Om chant. Inhale. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Keep it on your face. And relax. Om is a beautiful mantra. Combine this 3 words properly, A, U, Ma. It brings more positivity and clarity in our life. So we'll start with breathing exercise. Firstly, we are going to do Kapal Dhoti Kriya. Kapal Dhoti Kriya is amazing Kriya and you are going to see huge difference. We'll start. First, press your fingertip like this. This helps to stimulate your sensory organs. Inhale. Fill your mouth with air. Hold your breath. It allows more oxygen to get in. Every asana, every kriya we have to perform for 3 times for better result. Let's do it again. Fingertip. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Beauty is a process that is developed inside and visible outside. Exercises help to increase blood circulation, reduce toxin. Now let's do asana. We are starting with balloon pose. Balloon pose is amazing. Let's do it all together. Inhale. Fill your mouth with air. Middle finger, index finger, because it is connected with your brain and nervous system for instant result. Let's do this again, and we are not holding our breath in this asana. Inhale. One more time. relax, release. Now let's do balloon palming pose, amazing pose. Inhale. Try to put the pressure that will help to activate your sebaceous gland, and very good of course for increasing blood circulation. Let's do it again. Relax, release. Now we'll do squeeze pose. Squeeze pose is also very good pose. Let's do it. Squeeze your face tightly. Inhale. Relax. Your all muscles will get contracted. This is really good asana for strengthening and toning your facial muscle too. Let's do this again. Inhale. Release your all unexpected stress that you're holding. One more time. Inhale. Now let's do massage. This massage is amazing, very good for reducing acne and pigmentation. Simply what you need to do, without oil or with oil, it totally depends upon you. We'll start from forehead. We'll start. Hold here, center of your forehead. Close your eyes, relax yourself. Swipe it gently. Release. Hold. Try to put some pressure here. Swipe it gently. One more time. Hold. Swipe. Release. Now eye massage. Hold here. Close your eyes, relax yourself. Release. Just repeat this step for 3 times. Now for your cheeks, always upper strokes. Release. Hold. Release. Now just very slowly go down. Release your all stress and relax. Now just last chin massage. Hold here. Very slowly go down. and release. Relax yourself, close your eyes for a while. Hope you enjoyed the session. Be consistent with your practice and see the amazing difference with face yoga. Thank you.